Welcome to Technology Friends. All Microsoft Word Shortcuts Key. Lecture 2. Navigation and selection in a table. To move in the cells in a table, keyboard key can be effectively used. Shortcut key. Function. Down arrow. Move to one row down. Up arrow, move to one row up. Tab, move to next cell. Shift plus tab. Move to previous cell. Alt plus home, move to first column. Alt plus end. Move to last column. Alt plus page up. Move to first row. Alt plus page down, move to last row. Shift plus end. Select current cell. And then Shift plus home, select content of current cell. Alt plus 5 on numeric keypad, select an entire table. Alt plus Shift plus up arrow, move current row up. Alt plus Shift plus down arrow, move current row down. In first column, press Alt plus Shift plus end, select row. In first row, press Alt plus Shift plus page down, select column. Shift plus delete, delete selected column. If you want to like the video, please like, comments, and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Technology Friends. Thank you.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, कमेंट करिए और इसी तरीके से वीडियो आप हमेशा पाते रहिए। धन्यवाद।